Bella raga, ciao a tutti dal Commentone Veneziano, siamo nei Finals NBA, la partita delle partite in questi anni, siamo nel 1984. Los Angeles Lakers, Boston Celtics, noi siamo con Larry Bird, perché in questa lega abbiamo solo un giocatore. Eccolo qua, Larry Bird. Andiamo raga, gara 1. E c'è tensione. Johnson, Cooper, Wilkes, Woody, Abdul-Jabbar, Green, Johnson, Bird, Maxwell, Parrish. Mamma mia.
Basketball's
Vai.
biggest stage, the NBA Finals. It begins here, and 2K Sports is happy to bring it to you.
Tensione alle stelle.
Tonight, we'll see the Boston Celtics as they play against the Los Angeles Lakers.
Secondo me non abbiamo il miglior record NBA, ma non partiamo iper favoriti. Questa è la mia sensazione. E andiamo, Magic. Andiamo. Go, go, go. Sono importanti i primi 8 minuti. Ci saranno 8 delle Finals. È importante per lei.
That's why they call him Magic. Always seems to find the open man.
Cooper against Johnson. Here's Bird.
Larry Bird. Yes.
He's out the blocks fast.
Buon tiro del buon Larry. Larry versus Johnson.
And to see him do it at the start of the game is very encouraging for his team.
Well, how about the confidence? I love watching
Anche
him
Los
be that
Angeles si va giù
assertive down
pesante.
low.
And pin the blame on the defense there. You can't just give him an open layup.
Now here's Bird. Parrish high post.
Buono. Non ci credo. Yes.
And it's good on the layup.
Closer Maxwell gets to the rim.
Dai raga, bisogna partire bene.
He becomes. Nice bucket.
And here's the Lakers. Inside.
Grande.
It's rebounded by
Grandissimi,
Maxwell.
dai.
Well, that's a look he has to finish.
Grande Maxwell.
Blown opportunity.
And here's Bird for three. Good.
Solo rete!
Green to set it up. Bird's got 5 now.
Boy, the quick release.
Solo
Bird gets
rete
that shot off
per
in an
Larry
instant.
Bird.
He was ready and waiting to strike.
Johnson surveying the floor. Worthy, the pass to Cooper. High post try. Wilkes.
Bello.
A confident mid-range shooter. Wilkes gets the space he needs and lets his mechanics do the rest.
Green kicks to Johnson. Pass to Bird. Celtics passing it around. Parrish, the pass to Bird.
No, brutto peccato. Yes, ma lo stesso. Mamma mia, Larry Bird la mette da casa sua anche questa volta. Non da 3, ma non ne sbaglia una Larry.
To the middle. Here's Abdul-Jabbar.
Jabbar sbaglia invece.
With the rebound. Celtics have gone 4 of 5 from the field so far.
Mamma mia, Larry. Boom.
With the basket on the assist by Green. Bird's got a pair of threes now.
In una forma devastante.
So
L'uomo.
it's Johnson who brings the ball up for the Los Angeles Lakers.
L'uomo chiamato uccello.
6-point game. Now the pass to Cooper. To Johnson. Pocket 6. Here's Wilkes. Well-placed jumper from
Qua
the free
LA
throw
l'ha
line.
messa.
Love the unselfishness. Cooper's willing to whip it to open teammates.
Boston leading by 4.
Al Garden di Boston.
On the wing, Bird. 10 points for him.
No, qua brutto errore di Larry.
With the steal. And
Brutto
here's
errore
the
di
fast
Larry.
break.
Incredible two-way play.
E Boston ne
Offense
approfitta.
and defense.
Steals lead to points. The defense
Calma.
doesn't have time to get set.
Green passes to Bird. Now here's Green. He's guarded by Johnson. Back to Bird. They kick it out to Green.
Doppio blocco, bellissimo.
second chance shot. And it's
Non ci
blocked.
credo,
And
cosa ha
he keeps
preso
control of the
Karim
ball.
Abdul-Jabbar.
With the drive, here's Wilkes. And down it goes.
Non molla e lei, ultima azione, poi
Graceful drive by Wilkes. Just slipping
12
through the
pari, che
defense's
finale che
fingers
sarà,
into a
ragazzi.
shot.
Bird inside.
Bravo, Larry.
Here's Parrish. And that's free.
Porca miseria, oh. Vai. Attenzione, lo ha sempre il museo, a stare attenti, ragazzi. Gioca.
And the chance now to catch up on some numbers.
E il vantaggio di 2 LA.
Los Angeles.
You have to like what we've seen
By
from them
Parrish.
defensively. They've done well contesting
Yes.
shots and have managed to come away with some blocks.
And I love the fact they kept the pressure on,
Yes.
really pushing that ball, running it up the floor. I love seeing that. A team staying aggressive even when they're playing well. A double-double machine. Parrish understands his strengths on
Si
offense.
può difendere
Also
così.
works hard at the defensive end. No surprise there. It's Big Game James.
Calma.
What do you expect? Living up to his name is what he does.
Now here's Bird. To the paint.
No,
With some art.
non ci credo.
And that's rejected by
Non ci credo.
Abdul-Jabbar. Here's Wilkes. Rebound by
Meno
Johnson.
male.
Johnson's got his fifth rebound right now in the game. Green dishes to Bird.
Calma, Larry.
Over Wilkes.
Yes.
Bird's shot is good. Bird's got the game tied up here.
È una
for Boston.
bestia, Larry, è una bestia. L'MVP della season
The
84.
more he wants to
Here's Johnson. Good for another bucket.
Cosa ha messo? Cosa ha messo
6 for 8 on the night.
This
Johnson?
is who this squad wants, taking big shots. Johnson is up to the challenge, showing real leadership there.
Back to Green. Johnson up top. Pass to Bird.
2 minuti.
And the officials will call the
Cosa
illegal.
ho fatto?
There's a little bit of a gray area when it comes to setting screens, but
Mi
that
dispiace, ma no.
was pretty clear cut to me.
Yeah, gotta have your feet set. He didn't. Easy call for the officials.
And that's a
Mi
block
dispiace,
right
ma no.
there. He's
Regalata a
set ball
Boston
away
questa.
with some energy.
Hey, bringing that postseason intensity, so critical. You know, these plays can change the trajectory and outcome of a game.
No, fallo di Larry, va in lunetta con il tiro libero.
For some players, this would be rising.
Ai ai ai.
It's just taking care of business.
The and one puts a little extra insurance on their lead. What a good play.
Adesso è dura.
Bird right side. It's hauled in by Los
Brutto
Angeles.
errore di Bird. Ai ai ai.
Johnson's got 6 rebounds here tonight.
Fallo ancora di Bird. Ho paura che sia finita gara 1. Ai ai ai. Sì, perdiamo gara 1. Fattore campo perso, zio Ken. Gara 2.
The NBA playoffs continue. Just 2 teams remain. They are battling their way toward this title.
Dai ragazzi, gara 2 sempre al Garden.
Tonight we see the Boston
È chiaro che è
Celtics
fondamentale
as they
questa.
play against the Los Angeles Lakers. I'm Kevin Harlan alongside Clark Kellogg and Mike Fratello, with David Aldridge joining us on the sideline. Now, here is Bird. Passes it to Maxwell. And there
Bravo.
it is for him.
When you pay so much attention to Bird, that opens things up for others.
And so it's Johnson who brings the ball up for Los Angeles. To the inside. Here is Worthy. And the pass to Wilkes. And the foul on Larry Bird.
Ah, fiscano cose senza senso però,
And these calls are not easy for the refs to make.
Things happen so fast in
È un
real
basket
time.
diverso.
These refs do their best to get these calls right.
Che non ho giocato l'altro anno State Stereo, ho cominciato da era Jordan.
Lakers passing it around. Wilkes. It's good from about 19 feet.
A prolific scorer. Wilkes with a quick trigger.
And here is Green. Pass to Johnson. Green left side. And that's rejected.
I nostri errori però, Los Angeles ragazzi, è una bestia.
Johnson attacking. Shoots over Parrish. And too long on the shot.
Really
Vai,
good
Larry.
anticipation. Got a hand in the face right there.
Really disruptive defensively. Great challenge.
Grande Larry, deve essere dentro questa. Boom boom.
A mid-range master. Bird feels like no
Grande
defender
Larry.
can stop his jumper.
Johnson outside. Pass to Cooper. Back to Johnson. Out of bounds.
Fuori,
Buxton
fuori.
takes possession.
He showed
Boccia
no
nostra.
commitment trying to grab that pass. That kind of lackluster effort is exactly why it results in a turnover.
The Celtics have gone 2 or 3 here to start out the game. Pass to Pierce.
No, mamma mia.
Good defense.
Troppi errori da
by
sotto
Abdul-Jabbar.
facciamo però.
And here's Los Angeles. Cooper, the pass to Johnson. Sinks that one from the
Bello.
Big effort gets the big reward. Simply outplaying the defense.
And about 2 minutes played here in the first quarter. Bird outside. Down low.
No, ma perché così l'ha data?
And the foul.
Ma dov'è il fallo?
That's foul number 2 for him. Kevin McHale.
Esce Bird, quindi quando esco così ce l'ho in quel posto. Niente, sembra più forte Los Angeles, eh? Ai ai ai. Sì, sì, persa. Attenzione, 0-2. Los Angeles sembra avere qualcosa in più. Si va a Los Angeles adesso. Per gara 3, ma
A
questa
2-0
situazione è
start to the
disperata.
finals. Things could change direction here
Per la Lakers Arena.
2K Sports brings you NBA playoff action. And in our
Vai.
matchup tonight, we'll see the Los Angeles
Los Angeles sta giocando un
going up
basket
against the Boston
meraviglioso.
Celtics. This is Kevin Harlan joined by Clark Kellogg and Mike Fratello. And from the sidelines tonight, we have David Aldridge. Bird finds Green. Here's Parrish, down to 5 on the shot clock. It's good.
Oh, finalmente Parrish ne mette una decente.
Here's Worthy. Tipped away.
Bravissimo, non ci credo.
And there's Johnson. That's good on the assist for Worthy.
Boy, quality find that time by Worthy. I'm sure he could have taken that shot himself, but he'd rather find a teammate with a better look.
Parrish with the screen on Cooper. Bird, the pass to Maxwell. And a good offensive ball. And he gets the bucket.
Come fanno a
Can't allow
sbagliarli
him to burn
così?
you on the offensive glass there. That's simply on the defense in my mind.
Like coaches always say, remember to box out. When you don't, this is
Dai,
what
zio, dai, che non è finita.
Now here's Johnson. Here's Wilkes. Tips it up. It's good on the putdown.
uses his length. Worthy hustling on the
Si
board.
dice un po' che tiratori da 3.
2 or 3 here to start out the game. Johnson kicks to Bird. About a minute and a half through the first
Si
quarter.
vede che Larry non è playmaker, però.
Lets it go from the wing. Johnson's shot is off.
No, vedo Los Angeles favorita.
He wasn't able to knock that one down.
Johnson. Another shot. And the layup is up and in.
Get the box out, Johnson. Gotta make sure to box him out or he'll burn you.
Johnson's gone 2 or 3 from the field. Bird outside. Maxwell against Worthy.
I cori per i Lakers. Ancora!
Illegal screen.
It's not that hard to spot an illegal screen.
Troppi
Most
falli
of the
mi
time,
fischiano però
an
qua.
easy call for the officials.
Here's Johnson. And the foul.
Ancora!
That is his first foul of the
Oh
game.
madonna.
Johnson, the pass to Abdul-Jabbar. Back to Johnson. Down it goes. His
Loro
first
mettono
basket
tutto,
now
eh.
for 4.
Love the unselfishness. Cooper's willing to whip it to open teammates.
Boston off to a slow start, trailing by 4. They are still stinging from the loss on Thursday.
Offensively, they really struggled in that
Non
last
ferro lo
game.
sputa a
Never
fallo.
really got going and never found the rhythm.
Mamma mia che fatica però.
Hey, sometimes you just gotta take the foul. That's the best way to protect the
Sbaglia secondo.
Better to send him to the line than allow an easy layup.
Now, here's Johnson. He has 6. They get it
E
back.
prendono anche il
And
rimbalzo
here's the
offensivo.
Doherty. And that comes off the assist by Abdul-Jabbar.
Sembra molto più forte Los Angeles.
Nice find by Kareem. He's got such a great understanding of the court.
And in this first quarter, about 3 minutes played. And here's Bird
Fallo.
from the arc. Oh, and he almost had a 4-point play right there. He'll go to the line with a chance for 3.
Yes.
It's his first trip to the line.
Bravo Larry.
Bird is a natural leader.
No.
His guys look to him to set the tempo and help them
sempre dal
maintain
due,
their
vai.
focus. A big guy who can knock him down from the line. There are no easy tricks or hacks for limiting his offensive output.
Now, here is Abdul-Jabbar. Here's Cooper. And that's
Godo.
collected by Bird. To the middle.
Bravi, bravi, bravi.
Green with the
Dai.
basket on the assist from Dennis Johnson.
Bravi ragazzi.
Outstanding find by Johnson. Very comfortable at the 1 or the 2 spot.
And here in the first quarter, with a little over 3.5 minutes played.
Sto difendo come un bradipo in calore.
Interior passing. This is how you break a defense down.
And so Green will bring it up for the Celtics. It's a 3-point game. He's up to the strike.
Yes.
Such a
Adesso vediamo ragazzi se la squadra riesce a ingranare. Mettiamo il muso davanti.
Now let's take a moment to
Il vantaggio di uno Los Angeles va con i liberi.
They've been all about high
Non una bella
percentage in this
notizia.
game, working the ball inside and doing whatever it takes to get it to
Karim
Shout out to them
Abdul-Jabbar.
for getting to the foul
Yes.
line. They've been the
You do
aggressors
LA.
taking that ball to the basket, and they've been able to knock down a good percentage of those free throws.
Dobbiamo sterzare sta serie, se no 3-0 è finita raga.
Great job getting them to go when it counts.
Lo vedo il livello di difficoltà in più comunque.
Maxwell with a screen on Johnson. 6 to shoot.
Bravo. Claire no, bruttissimo. Bravo, sì.
Second chance points on the tip-in.
Un po' di
Parrish has
culo.
got it all tied up now for the Celtics.
Big shot that time from Robert Parrish. This is why his guys trust him so
Bravo
much.
Parrish.
He delivered.
Johnson, the pass to Abdul-Jabbar.
Ma no. Primo libero, gol. Gol. Della della carità.
It's a 2-point ball game.
Come si suol dire nel basket, gol. Scusate ragazzi, vaneggi come diari.
And Bird, here
Yes.
we go. It's good. Bird's got 28.
Yeah, you know what is funny? With
Bravo, Larry.
Bird, the more the game tightens up, the more he relaxes and gets loose. And those competitive juices take over.
Aia.
Abdul-Jabbar with the bucket.
Ragazzi, Abdul-Jabbar è una bestia.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. The Celtics shooting has been terrific. 54% on the game. Bird, the pass.
Bravo Larry.
Playing by Bird to set it up.
What a gifted passer. Bird enjoys shredding defense.
L'è dura però, l'è dura.
And Los Angeles guys shooting certainly a key for them on this one. 55% from the field. To the paint. Here's
Ocho.
Abdul-Jabbar. Again,
Le mette tutte questo,
Get it to Kareem.
Si incatta Larry.
Boston through. And Bird, here we go. Here's Redmond.
No.
The Lakers shooting very well.
Incredibile, quando conta sbagliamo.
58%.
Le mettono tutti loro.
Got that one to drop under pressure.
Johnson's gone 6 of 14 on the night. Green gets to Johnson. Worthy against Bird. Over Worthy. And it's Bird
Ah,
missing.
basta, è
You need
finita.
that level of defense to stop him.
And that's an intentional foul.
Niente, finita. Mamma mia ragazzi, che scoppola in finale. 3-0 ormai, la possibilità è quasi zero. sul 3-0 posso darmi il boost magari di provare a giocare più
We're on
minuti
the
alla
verge
fine.
of a clean sweep, a 3-0 start to this year's NBA Finals. We'll see if they can pull it off.
Ma sarà
In
un'impresa
this game, we'll see the Los
disperata.
Angeles Lakers going up against the Boston.
Vediamo. Ma l'andamento è sempre il medesimo, purtroppo. Però questa volta la portiamo a casa, siamo ancora vivi. Siamo ancora vivi. Adesso devo provare a giocare più alla fine se possibile, devo
Will
recuperare.
it end tonight? That's the
Devo darmi
question.
qualche bonus perché sennò questo livello più è dura.
Another hopes to stave off defeat. The NBA playoffs on 2K Sports. Tonight it'll be the Boston Celtics going up.
Beh, sarebbe incredibile vincere, cioè, da 3-0, ciao. Los Angeles sembra prendere già il largo, però. Ai ai ai. Devo entrare un po' prima, va bene, dai. Buono.
Now Bird.
2 minutes remaining in the game. 2 minutes.
Bravissimo Larry. No, non è vero.
Bird's got the lead up to 2 now for the Celtics.
This is where Bird
Magic versus Larry.
more he wants to capitalize.
Now the feed to McAdoo. Harris
Godo.
grabs the board. Harris.
Scusate, eccoci qua. Abbiamo l'istantanea.
Cooper against Johnson. Lakers passing it around. Wilkes. Good.
Not allowing the
Dopo la
late-game
messa.
pressure to crack him. Wilkes makes sure he gets the shot he wants.
And Bird, here we go. This
Bravo,
is
Larry.
Good.
Sì.
And it's Bird picking up the assist.
Big shot that time from
Bravi,
Robert
ragazzi.
Parrish. This is why his guys trust him so much. He delivered.
Green against Johnson. It falls.
Purtroppo la
He has
messa.
brought them to within 2 points.
Calma.
Humongous make right there.
49 secondi, bisogna vincere le vittorie per lei.
Takes confidence in your game.
Bird outside.
Da solo? Non ci credo, la sbaglia.
They can't expect him to miss that shot consistently.
Brutto errore.
Johnson against Green.
Sì, Larry.
Get it to go.
Ti amo, Larry.
Intentional foul right there.
Third personal foul.
Yes.
That's the first. That makes it a 3-point lead.
And you know, these moments don't phase Bird at
Ah,
all.
yes.
He enjoys being the guy to take the critical shot because
Buono.
he's got ultra confidence in himself. And that makes it a two-possession game now.
Siamo
Those
ancora
can turn
vivi.
out to be vital free throws.
Los Angeles calls timeout.
Siamo ancora vivi.
Trail by 4. 26 seconds left here in the fourth quarter. It's time now to hear from our Hall of Fame reporter, David Aldridge. What's the latest, David?
Thanks, guys. Brad Nelson had some words for his team during the break. He told his players, I need you to play smarter out there. We're in a rush right now, and that's why we're behind. Slow things down, run our plays. See if that tempo shifts at all. Back to you guys.
Thank you, David.
Grandi.
Misses. And they stop
fatta,
the
è
clock
fatta.
as soon as they can with the
Allunghiamo
intentional
ancora la
fouls.
serie.
They want to extend this game. That's why they did what they did there.
Yeah, so they had to foul there. Need a little luck now.
Yes. Molto bene. Ragazzi, che dura Casè però, eh. L'è dura, Beppe, l'è molto dura. 3-2. So, sarebbe bello vincerla così, sarebbe epicus.
The championship could be claimed right here. Folks, it is electric in the arena for this.
Chiaro che anche
Game
rischio a
6
partire a loro.
of the
Di
NBA
solito difficilmente io parto
So
con
glad you could join
un
us for.
parziale di
In
10,
this
8.
game, we'll see the Los
Però adesso è meglio far così, che siamo in svantaggio. Voglio rischiarla. Però devo giocarmi di più minuti alla fine, perché non posso cappellare i vari 2 minuti. Allora, Los Angeles sembra in crisi nera. Ragazzi, siamo 3-3, si va all'ultima gara, è incredibile. È incredibile, perdevamo 3-0. 3-3. E adesso però devo giocarla io, la prima parte.
The biggest stars have aligned on the biggest night in basketball.
Gara 7.
This series has gone down to the wire. The air is thick with excitement and anticipation. Welcome everyone to NBA Finals Game 7.
Vediamo la prima finale, chi la porta a casa.
A season of joy and pain will end here tonight. And thank you for making us part of your night on 2K Sports. Tonight, we'll see the Boston Celtics as they play against the Los Angeles Lakers. Alongside Clark Kellogg and Mike Fratello, I'm Kevin Harlan. Our sideline reporter, David Aldridge. Worthy finds Johnson. Shot clock at 5.
8.
Here's Wilkes. Here's
Tutto partono per un rimbalzo. Bravissima stoppata, ma ancora.
They get it back.
Yes.
Helping him get a hand on shots when others would have been out of luck.
And there's
Yes.
Green, the assist by Bird.
Dimostriamo che possiamo vincere anche così. Madonna, se vinciamo così. Finale senza senso.
They can hold on to the lead for the rest of the ball game.
A lot of basketball to be played, but it's always nice to start out on top.
Now, here's Johnson. Worthy. Johnson up top. The pass to Cooper. Back to Johnson. From 15 feet away.
Grande difesa, purtroppo arrivano ancora loro.
Worthy puts it in.
Ha fatto una bella difesa, bravo lui. Bravo lui.
And now, just over a minute played here in the first. Bird outside. Back to Green. Pass to Bird.
No, Brutti, non è la giocata di Larry così sbagliato.
Incredible effort defensively. No easy buckets.
And it's Cooper.
Godo.
And usually, you can count on him to convert there. The D did just enough to throw him off.
Bird against Johnson. Green passes to Bird.
Yes. No, peccato.
Target from outside.
You know, that shot was challenged, but even so, I'm always surprised whenever he misses.
Yeah, had the
Ancora
space,
rimbalzo.
but not that time.
Shot by Worthy.
Calma,
There's
Kuma.
just no simple answer for Worthy inside. His height and agility help him beat the coverage.
Johnson dishes to Bird.
Sarebbe un peccato dopo una rimonta così.
Pulls up
Da
on
solo?
the elbow.
No, ancora errore.
Here's Parrish. And there's
La
two
sente
points.
Larry, la sente.
Working on the glass, paying off that time.
It's simple. You got to get a body into your man. Box out if you want to rebound the ball.
Defensive rebounding is about effort, trying, being willing to put a body on someone.
Bravi.
For Boston, they've gone 2 of 5 here, making 40% so far to start out the game. Bird, the pass to Maxwell. Outside, Green. Bird looking it over. Over Abdul-Jabbar.
No, che mamma mia, che stoppata su Bird.
By Abdul-Jabbar. They grabbed their own miss. Harris. Tough break
Malissimo,
there, shot
malissimo.
after shot. They couldn't get anything to fall. Here's Cooper. Rebound, Boston.
Vai Larry.
He's got 4 rebounds in this game. Jumps up.
No!
Here's Bird. And yep, that's going to be a flagrant
Non ci
foul.
credo.
Unnecessary contact.
Very hard foul. You can't let
Addirittura
him get
antisportivo.
that level of contact.
So, Mike, well, a simple call for the officials to make everyone knows the league
Incredibile.
is cracking down on that kind of intimidation tactic.
Already a very confident player. Knocking down those free throws only fuels that.
Here's Bird. Puts up a 3.
Ha preso un po' troppo qua Larry, non dobbiamo tirare troppo da 3 in questi anni.
He's got his 4th rebound with that last one here tonight. Cooper with the bucket.
I love how fast Cooper leaks out in transition. So opportunistic in these situations.
And we're just over 3.5 minutes into the first quarter. Bird passes to Maxwell. Back to Bird over Wilkes.
No,
Dennis Johnson on the wing. 5 to shoot. Parrish kicks to Johnson. 3-pointer, Bird. Bird can't get that one to...
mamma mia, che punteggio bassissimo. E adesso ci giochiamo tutto, fiori, mamma mia. Ah, cazzo. Ai 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 ai. Non ci credo, siamo un'altra rimonta. Tensione altissima.
Ties it up, and this next one could give them the lead.
And I just love how
No,
efficient Maxwell
96
is.
pari, brutto
Just a
errore.
high IQ forward who scores and rebounds at an impressive rate. I know he wanted to get them the lead here, but they'll just have to settle for a tied score.
Los Angeles la
Big
messa.
game James. What do you
Calma.
expect? Living up to his name is what he does.
Green dishes to Bird. Back to Green. Pass to Maxwell. Out to Bird.
Bravissimo.
Puts it up from 12. The
Bravo,
shot is
mamma,
good.
vita bella Larry.
Bird's got the game tied up here for Boston.
Yeah, you know what is funny? With Bird, the more the game tightens up, the more he relaxes and gets loose.
Mamma mia, che prima finale 84, signori.
Now, here's Johnson.
No, che brutto errore.
Throws it down.
For some players, this would be rising to the occasion. For Green, it's just taking care of business.
And a wide open shot from Green.
Yes.
One in from the wing. Green's got 4 this quarter.
Boy, in this stage of the game, that's exactly who you want taking those jump shots.
Yeah, showing him a little disrespect there. He was more than happy to accept the challenge.
That one good for 2.
Tutte le mette, oh.
And the Lakers
Quando
lead by
conta le
2.
mettono tutte.
Coming alive in a big situation. Buckets like this is why Magic Johnson is called Magic Johnson.
Now, here is Bird. Over in the corner, Green. The Celtics working the ball around now.
Bruttissimo attacco qua.
This is it to Pierce. And that free
Eccola là.
shifted by Abdul-Jabbar.
Forse mi gioco la vittoria qua.
Puts it up from 15. And another basket for the Lakers. And guys, what do you think about the
Ho fatto
hustle
una
stance
rimonta
for the Lakers?
mostruosa, ma
They've
forse
done
sul
a
più
great
bello
job of
crollo.
challenging every shot they can. They're totally
Ti prego. Ciao!
aggressive.
They've been the disruptors defensively, coming up with a lot of steals that have had an impact on the flow of the game.
And here is Scott following Larry Bird's through.
Bravissimi.
Stolen by Parrish. Johnson finds Bird.
Mamma mia che finale.
Parrish with the screen on Wood. Here's Bird. Good.
Yes.
Now that is how you come through when it matters most.
Incredibile Larry, 5 punti in meno di 30 secondi.
Timeout called the Lakers. They're behind by 1. There's 37 seconds left to play here in the fourth.
Cominciamo col voto,
Yeah, you know, there's enough time on the clock, I think, to go 2 for 1 here.
And I think the key thing, probably what coach wants to see, is a good shot. It's important they convert here.
A moment now to hear from our sideline reporter, Hall of Famer David.
No.
David.
Thanks, guys. Brad Nelson had some words for his team during the break. He told the guys, we're being together
Sì.
all year for this game. There's no tomorrow. We've got to go focus and get this
Buono,
win.
buono però.
Back to you guys.
All right, David, thanks.
And this team views Abdul-Jabbar as its
Calma.
unquestioned leader.
Picca in
He
cume.
welcomes taking the big shot.
Vede che sono nel play, vuole la palla. No!
He dishes it to Green.
Brutto attacco qua di Boston.
And here's Bird
No,
from the arc.
no.
Can't knock in the 3.
Mamma mia che schifo.
Scott dishes to Johnson. Got it up in
No.
time. Oh, no good there.
Incredibile. Overtime.
Off the mark. And that's going to do it for regulation. So we are headed to overtime. And we've got more NBA.
No, infinita questa finale.
Glad to have you with us as we get going in overtime. Neither team giving an inch in this one.
Infinita.
And the foul
No.
called on Larry Bird.
Larry Bird.
And that'll be his third foul so far.
First team foul.
Supplementare di gara 7 devo farli io. Sarà un video lungo, chi se ne fotte.
And there's the pass to Scott.
You know, this is
Bravo.
DJ's calling card. Has the strength and athleticism to guard multiple positions.
Bird outside. Maxwell with a screen on Abdul-Jabbar.
No,
Defensive rebound. Harris.
Yes.
And it's Parrish finishing it off.
A devastating throw down by Parrish. Man, does he know how to pack a punch.
The Lakers trade. Outside, Scott. To Wilkes. Johnson against Green. Kicks it to Scott.
Tensione altissima, raga.
4 on the shot clock. Here's Johnson. Here's Abdul-Jabbar.
Che
And he makes good
culo.
on the layup. Abdul-Jabbar's got it all tied up
È
now for the
incredibile
Lakers.
che arriva Abdul,
They're
ragazzi.
lucky
È una
Kareem is
bestia.
there to save the play, using his reach to snag the ball and send it back.
Può far tutto Larry
Third
ormai.
high post.
No, Dio
Stolen by
Cristo, no.
Worthy. Goes up. Here's Wilkes. And he gets it to go. Wilkes has got 21.
Errore che non dovevo fare.
About Wilkes is that he's tenacious on offense, which allows him to take over games.
Bird kicks to Parrish.
No, Parrish.
Good.
Mamma
It's
mia.
Bird picking up the assist.
Well, he could have taken himself, but he went from good, better to best in getting the shot for his team.
And Scott now top of the
No.
key. Some
Yes.
solid defense from Johnson. Bird finds Johnson. Out to Bird.
Dai, Fioi.
Overtime in full swing here. 2 minutes off the clock. Releases from 15. He is
No,
hauled
la
by
sputa
Los
malissimo il ferro, che
Angeles.
sfiga.
Abdul-Jabbar's
però.
got his 16th rebound on the night. Johnson against Scott. Johnson outside.
No?
Outside Worthy. It's good again. The next one, 7 for 8 shooting on it
Che
so far.
sfiga.
When it comes to distributing the ball, nobody does it better than Matt. When one of his guys has a clean look, the ball is there quickly
finale.
and on target.
Timeout call, the Celtics. Just under 2.5 minutes passed here in this overtime. Up top, Bird.
Non passo adesso, è cazzo.
Screen by Parrish.
Prego, Larry.
Wide open look for Bird.
Yes.
Hands the shot from the wing. Bird's got 37.
And he thrives in these moments.
Mamma
When
mia,
the
che
stakes are
partita.
high, his team knows to get him the ball.
Here's Johnson. 2 free throws coming up, and they call
Mi
this
sembrava fallo.
With a myriad of skills, Magic is the last guy I'd want to guard.
Primo lo mette.
He can do anything out there.
Magic
So
Johnson.
how do you defend him?
And Johnson
Anche
drops them
secondo.
both.
He's basically automatic from the line, not the guy you want to send there now.
2 minutes remaining.
Incredibile.
Bird outside. Inside. Tries again. And no good. Trying to use
Aia.
the
Solid defense down low, defending the rim.
Aia.
Johnson, the pass to Wilkes. Now the dish to Abdul-Jabbar. Shot clock at 6. Johnson can't get it to go.
È andata
Boston
bene.
trail. Bird against Worthy. Harris kicks to Bird. Harris with the screen on Worthy. And that
Yes.
one, good. Bird's got 39.
Oh, man. Bird is just so
Mamma Larry.
cold-blooded. Knocking down the big clutch shot. Man, he's good.
Down low.
No?
And
Sport, cosa ha messo?
close it down.
Need a big hoop? Get it to Kareem. A championship
squadra,
caliber
ragazzi.
star.
Here's Bird. Feeds it to Parrish. And oh, what a
Ecco la cagata di Parrish.
Here's Wilkes. Headed by Green. Wilkes, the pass to Scott. Shoots over Johnson.
Non ci credo.
No surprise to see Kareem having his way on the offensive end.
Sembra finita,
Playing with
Beppe.
real heart and finding
Dove sono i miei?
to score.
Passes it to Maxwell. Back to Bird.
Dai.
Celtics passing it around. Right to the hoop.
Cosa fa Larry?
It's
No.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And they go to the intentional
È
foul.
finita.
Fourth personal foul. Third team foul.
È finita.
So it's the Lakers now, and now they decide to foul intentionally.
Well, you know, he had to stop the clock, so that
Ci ho
was
provato,
what
ragazzi, ho
he
fatto
done there.
una partita strepitosa.
The
Ma...
team drain the clock when it's close like this.
Good on the first, and that puts them up by 5.
As far as guys who can orchestrate your offense, it's hard to do better than Magic Johnson. His vision out on the floor is just so unique. You never want to leave points at
Larry
the line,
è scontento.
especially when you're trying to build on your lead.
Now a timeout called by Boston. They're down by 6. We've got 22 seconds left in the first overtime. Action has been terrific. Guys, what do you think?
Look, the game's not quite done yet, but they need points right away.
Can't make
la
one
casa
mistake here.
sua.
Have to act fast. Scrappy under the basket.
È
Great
andata.
strength in pulling the board.
And now we've got the intentional foul.
Team foul.
Purtroppo è andata.
Drops the first one, and that makes it a 7-point lead.
Taking 2 shots.
7'2" Abdul-Jabbar is such a remarkable player, so talented, and you gotta
Boston
love
in
that
silenzio.
unblockable signature skyhook shot that he mastered from
Finisce
an
qua,
early
ragazzi.
age.
Vince LA il titolo NBA.
Now, here is Bird.
È finita, raga.
And that's it, folks. The Los Angeles Lakers
That's the
have
end of the
won it
game.
all. Wow.
Thanks again, folks, for coming out and supporting your
Oh,
basketball.
to be
Peccato.
crowned a champion on the road is something else. To win and to do it with a crowd that was so emotional and
Complimenti a
so
loro.
into this game, you've beaten the team and you've conquered everything that this great arena holds.
Yeah, it's a bittersweet
Larry piange,
moment
ma
for
ci
the
saranno
home
altre
crowd.
possibilità,
But
raga.
all full credit to the visitors and the amazing job they did to never lose focus or drive. And boy, this is the moment they've been working towards all season long. And even if they don't get to celebrate in front of their home
Bravi.
fans, that does not take anything away from the satisfaction.
Now, let's take you to the presentation of the Larry O'Brien Trophy. NBA Commissioner
Eccoli qua.
John Dion.
LA vince il titolo. Beh, Abdul-Jabbar se lo merita, dai. È andata. Adesso vediamo in velocità il draft, sarà un video lunghissimo, ma chi se ne fotte. Complimenti. Abdul-Jabbar, l'MVP. Va bene. Ritiro giocatori. Ok, un po' di gente che non conosco. Hall of Fame, Helvins. Yes. Cambiamenti. Modificata aiuta. Divisa aiuti. India trasferisci cambio. San Diego Clippers e Los Angeles Clippers. Ok. Ok. Chicago la prima scelta. Attenzione. NBA, vediamo chi sarà la prima scelta assoluta. Chicago Bulls. Hakeem Olajuwon, immaginavo. Niente da fare. Jordan non va ai Bulls, ma sarà Hakeem Olajuwon. Washington Bullets. Charles Barkley va ai Washington. Incredibile. A Houston, no, ma Jordan ai Clippers, incredibile. Michael Jeffrey Jordan va ai Clippers. Houston, John Stockton. Michael Cage. Otis Thorpe, Tommy Campbell, Sam Perkins. Incredibile. Scelta utente. Andiamo. Come tutti scandali, cioè. Uno vale l'altro. Ok. Quindi sarà Olajuwon, Barkley, Jordan, Stockton, Cage, Perkins, Juve. Poi via via tutti. Paxson. Bello Clifford Paxson, me lo godo. Ok, ciao. questo qua potrei anche tenerlo comunque. Offerte qualificanti. Jim Paxson. Totale 87. Ma proviamo, sinceramente. Proviamo così. Immaginavo. Raga, ho assoluto il commendatore veneziano. Prima scelta Bulls o Kim o Olajuwon. Vado perché il video è lunghissimo. Ciao!